Hi guys, it's me, Agent from Agent TV here. I'm going to show you my favorite cars I collect in my toy car. Okay, first one is this Lamborghini Urus from Majorette. You can open these doors. It's actually one of my favorites. People say it's not rare, but it is rare to me because I have to find this from German to get this. Yeah. Next one is my Peugeot 308 made by Norv, I think. Norvia, I believe. Next up is my Citroen C3 2018 version. The next one is the Maserati Gilby. I think it's Gilby or Gilby. Yeah, from Fast and Furious. Plus, I forgot, this was from Majorette as well. Next one is T-Turbo from Wenny's. Bye guys.